Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO A6 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to enable the navigation gestures on this phone. Navigation gestures basically allow you to navigate your system by simply swiping on the screen. To go back, you swipe on from the edge to the middle of the screen. To open the recent apps menu, you swipe up from the bottom and hold on the middle of the screen, and to close the app you simply swipe up on the screen. And to enable it, we need to open the settings. In settings we need to find the system and update option and tap on it, and here we need to find the system navigation and select it. I believe by default the gestures should be enabled, but if they're disabled for you, you can simply select gestures, and here you can learn how to use them. Let's go through the tutorial, I guess. So tap on learn, and here we have a tutorial how to use the gestures. And basically to go back, you swipe from the edge, and when you see this arrow, you can release it. Same from the other side. To go home, you simply swipe up like this, and to open the recent apps menu, you swipe up and hold, and then release it, and it will open the. You can also switch the apps by swiping left and right here on the bottom of the screen. And that's how you use the gestures. Quite convenient, to be honest. And you can also change some settings like hide the bar, because usually you have this bar at the bottom, but if you enable the hide bar option, it disappears. If you don't, it's here. Then we have Vibrate on the back navigation. You can enable it. You can also enable the option to switch to the previous app. And you can also enable the mistouch prevention, which basically requires 2 swipes instead of 1 if you want to go back. You have also the sensitivity for the left and right edge. You can adjust them separately, which is quite convenient. And once you're done, you can close the settings. And that's how you enable the navigation gestures on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.